Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel and today we are back again with a new video. So in this video, I will show you how can you easily open System32 in CMD. So without any delay, let's get into it. For that, firstly head towards Start menu. In the search of Start, simply type CMD. In the result, simply click on the application name and click Enter or simply choose the option of Open. After that, the command prompt tab will open on your screen. Now here you need to type simply what I write in the screen, cd space backslash windows, again backslash and system32. Then after hit the enter key, and now your system32 file is open on CMD. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for such tutorial. Thank you for watching till the end.